Blessings, everyone, friends, subscribers, fellow YouTubers. Beyonce is in Jamaica, in Trenchtown, doing a music video. Alright, I know you guys have been waiting to see this video. I know you guys must have heard that Beyonce and Jay-Z have been in Jamaica since yesterday. So here's the video, guys, and if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, be sure to check out the subscribe button. And if you like this video, leave a like using the like button. If you don't like it, you can dislike it also. Alright, so here's the video, guys.
So I didn't live in the area. Let me say that for the bike. Let me say that for the bike. You sure? I them in this. I them in this, man. Them in this. Okay, that's the shit done. Up on the ball field, them have go. Tell a big boss here. Mind the people that have got bodyguard them, man. No, because we can't go no further. Now that me I try to alone paparazzi style officer. That's what I feel now, you know. Eh? Yeah. What's that? What you say? Jay-Z get young. Don't worry yourself, my boss. We're not going to closer. We're good. Yo, Trigger. Oh, God. You know what I mean? Yeah. What's that? What you say? Jay-Z get young. Don't worry yourself, my boss. We're not going to closer. We're good. Yo, Trigger. Oh, God. You know what I mean? Yeah.
Sweetie.
Yo, love you, baby. Love you, baby. Yeah, man, you no good, man. Don't worry yourself.
Good, yo, sweetie.
We're not violate.
Violate, man. It ain't good. I want you. Jungle is in our protect on the
Tell them, no, man.
Protect your kid. Yo, my boss, I protect on the good enough.
Yeah, man, you're good, Jay.
Jigga, Jungle is head of general. Railway. Come on, what do you?
Yo, you guys fretting too much, man. You're fretting. You're good, baby. Tell them good. Them good. We're not talking nobody. Yeah. We just want.
So there you have it, guys. The music video is being shot in Trenchtown, Jamaica, so you can keep up to date with that. Until then, I am Alex, and remember to the notification icon so you always receive an update after subscribing. Bless.